In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make zipper tabs for a bag or a pouch. I have a number 3 zipper here and I have 4 of these zipper tabs. These are going to be a 1 inch across because your number 3 zipper is going to be 1 inches. If you are using a number 5 zipper, they generally need to be 1.5 inches. And then the length of them, I always do about 2 inches. I like to start by cutting off this side first. So I'm just going to trim it. So we have 4 zipper tabs. I'm going to take 2 of them. What we're going to do is sandwich them. So I'm going to take one of my zipper tabs and I'm going to place it face down on the teeth there. I like to get some wonder clips just to keep these into place. And I'm going to clip this bottom side down. So we have the right side of the fabric, the pretty side of the fabric is face down to that zipper. Now what I'm going to do is turn it over and then we're going to get our second zipper tab, which is here, and we're going to place that also face down. And then I'm going to line it all up and I'm going to get this wonder clip and clip both of them. So basically we've created a zipper sandwich. So you have a tab at either side of the zipper, like a sandwich, and both of the fabrics are facing pretty side to the zipper. Now what we're going to do is sew 1/4 inch across here. I'm at my baby block L-tear 2, I'm going to switch it to sewing. I'm going to select a straight stitch and I'm just going to take that stitch length down to a 2.0. I'm going to place it into my sewing machine and put my presser foot down and I'm going to sew. If you find that it needs a little bit of guidance, you can use an oar just to push that through, sew into place. And then also you're going to back stitch. Now I have a cut off on my machine, so I'm going to cut the thread. You're going to have some loose threads, just make sure to cut them off. Then we're going to take the wonder clips out and you're going to fold that fabric back. I like to give this a press just to keep it in place. Now we are going to sew right along here. This will then keep both sides into place. Always remember to back stitch. We're going to do the same thing with this side. It's just a little bit more tricky because now this one's open. So what we're going to do is the same thing. We're going to cut these ends off. Get one of our zipper tabs and you're going to place it right sides down again, pretty side down. I like to place a wonder clip right at the top and then one at the side. Then you're going to turn it around, get your next zipper tab, put that face down. Just hold your thumb there because you want to make sure that this is closed. And then we can get another wonder clip making sure that we close this zipper here and then put this on the other side like so. I like to kind of pinch this closed. Take that wonder clip off, place my presser foot down, and then we are going to sew over, reverse back, and I do this like a few times to make sure that that is firmly closed. Once again, just cut away them loose threads. Now we're going to take away them wonder clips, push them back, take over to your iron and press. Then you're going to take to your sewing machine and sew again 1/4 of an inch down here. Once again, I'm making sure that I reverse over, and I just do a few stitches. Cut off my thread, cut away the excess threads, and there you have it, one complete zipper tab for your pouch or bags or whatever you want to put it on. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe for more amazing tutorials like this, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.